Hello, learners. First thing I want to tell is Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2024. In this new year, what we will try to do is, whosoever are freshers in this new year, our goal is to get placed within next 3 months. Okay, for this goal to be achieved, what we will try to do is, you guys just support me and watch the videos along with me. I will try to upload as many as videos as possible regularly and just practice with me. And you will find yourself getting placed after 3 months of this journey. So, in this journey, what we will be trying to do is we will follow these videos as live Zoom sessions as if you are joining daily. I will upload videos daily. So you just have to watch these videos for the first time and the second time, practice these videos, and then you are good to go. So in this series of Core Java, this is a part of a Java full stack developer course. The first part is Core Java. For this Core Java series, what we will do is in this first video, we will try to install the required softwares. The assumption is you are starting from scratch. You don't know nothing about coding, and this is your first day in your coding world. So, assuming that, we'll start the video. So, the first software that you need to have to learn Java is JDK. So, we will download JDK. You just have to type JDK download for Windows. Then click on Java downloads. You can see JDK 21 selected here. Then there is options for Mac OS and Windows. I'm assuming you're on Windows. If you're on Mac OS, you can select Mac OS here. So mostly many of us will be on Windows. I'm selecting a Windows here. Then come here to x64 installer and click on this. This will start a download here. You can see the download that is in progress. So the best practice is watch the videos with me and for the first time. And the second time, what we will do is we will practice the videos. And after that, you move on to the next video. That's how you're supposed to practice. So once this is downloaded, what we will do is we'll grab this video, we'll grab this software onto the desktop and double click it. Click yes. It says the software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? In my system, the software is already installed. I'm reinstalling it. If you are installing it for the first time, you will not get this pop-up. Click on yes. Click on next. This is the path where your software is getting installed. C program files Java. So allow it a couple of minutes. Here you can see the Java development kit, that is JDK, Java development kit JDK 21 successfully installed. Close it. So just to know if your software is installed or not, I'll tell you what to do. Before going to that step, in your search bar, type env, that is environment variables. Edit environment variables for your account. Here you see my Java home is already set to C program files, Java JDK 21. What you have to do is, let's say this property is not there. For that, what I will do is, you you are supposed to click on new here, but then because my property is already there, I'm clicking on edit. But you are supposed to click on new and give Java underscore home here. You click on new and give Java underscore home here. Browse this PC, C drive, program files, Java. You see JDK 21. Select JDK 21. OK. Then you get your path. Then click on OK. Your Java home is there. Then click on path. Click on edit. You see Java home bin is already there, but in your system it will not be there if you are doing it for the first time. Let's say I delete this property. So now it's not there, right? Because if you are doing it for the first time. So you say new percentile Java underscore home percentile slash bin, and you say OK and OK. So what you did is you gave Java home the path for it, uh, and you gave Java home and the path for it Java home slash bin. Now just to check whether if your Java is installed or not, you say Windows R, Windows plus R, and type CMD into it and press OK. Now give the command Java space hyphen version and press enter. You see the version Java 21 is installed. Now you know that Java is successfully installed into your system. Next thing what you want to do is, install IntelliJ for Windows. So you get install IntelliJ IDEA. Actually, we are supposed to give download install IntelliJ IDEA. You can give download IntelliJ IDEA for Windows. You'll get download IntelliJ IDEA. This is IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate version. We don't want this because that's a paid version. We want IntelliJ IDEA Community version, which is a free version. Then we click on download here. And you see the download gets started here, and allow it a couple of minutes. In my system, I just want you to say that JDK and IntelliJ IDEA is already there. I'm trying to install it once again. JDK and IntelliJ IDEA. So, but in your system, if you are a fresher and if you are trying to work with Java for the first time, then you will see a different prompt, but the basic steps are the same. So you are supposed to follow the same steps. So that should not be a problem. If you find any difficulty, you can post a comment in the comment section. I would be happy to reply you back regarding what you're supposed to do. So you can see it's almost getting downloaded. And there are various IDEs, that is integrated development environments. There is no compulsion that you have to go with IntelliJ IDEA, but this is one of the advanced IDE and a user-friendly IDE. The intelligence, that is the intelligence is very good in IDE in this IntelliJ IDEA. So it's very good for fresh developers actually who wants to learn. That's why I would prefer that you go with this IntelliJ IDEA. We have many more actually. You can go with Eclipse or STS or any other. It's up to you. But I suggest you go with this. Okay, the download is done. Download in progress. Let me click on it. The download is done. Yeah, I'll copy this. Paste this here. I'll double click on it. So welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, not the Ultimate Edition. We want the Community Edition, which is open source and free. Select where you want to install. Let it install in the path where it is getting installed. Let's not change it. Click next, and click next. And let's select this one. Create a shortcut on the desktop and click next, install. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Let's wait for it to get installed. And meanwhile, what I am going to promise you is, if you go along with this course, the key takeaways that you are going to get is, at the end of this course, you will get knowledge that is equivalent to 2 to 3 years, at least 3 years actually, not 2 to 3 years. 3 years experienced guy, whatever knowledge that guy would have, the same knowledge you would be getting. And with that knowledge, if you complete as a fresher, you are bound to get placed. And that is my responsibility and my promise that I can give you. Only thing that you have to do is just follow along with the videos and stay in touch. Yeah, that's all you have to do. Practice the videos, and it's getting installed. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's almost. And this is one of the best platform. I have seen a lot of students who have got passed from our platform. They have started as freshers and they got placed with very good packages. So I have started this YouTube channel for free so that many freshers can get benefited from this channel. So please make use of this channel and do let us know when you get placed. So click on finish. The shortcut is here. Because I've clicked on finish, IntelliJ Community Edition is loading up. Let me close this. There are some previous projects. So IntelliJ Community Edition. Running it. And let's write our first Java program here. In order to write your first Java program, what you have to do is click on this snack bar new project. When you actually open this, you'll get options like new, open, and some other option. Click on the new option. You get a new project and name it anything that you want. I'm naming it as first project. I selected here and make sure you select add sample code here and click on create this window. So it will give you some boilerplate code. I think I've selected Maven here. So, okay, fine. Let me do something. Let's click on File, New, Project, Java. Let's select IntelliJ instead of Maven. My first project. You select Java, IntelliJ, add sample code, create, and this window. So some code is already there. But then when you want to run, you see there are some errors here. I'll try to run this and let's see what happens. Okay, it has run actually. But what I will do is I'll clear everything on this and I'll give the first command and remove the extra brace from here. So now my assumption is this is your first time you're dealing with Java. This is your first project. And the first command that you're supposed to give is see, as soon as you type SYS, this is called as IntelliSense. IntelliSense. Intelligence sense. So S is capital right here. You type SYS. Please note that S is capital here. When you type that, you get system dot out dot println hello IT master. Let's try to run this from here. You can run this from here also. So this triangle is where we run. We have successfully run our first Java program. Hello IT master. This black area that you see is called the console. So now that you have done your first Java program, I just want to tell that there are various kinds of applications called console applications, desktop applications, and web applications. The kind of applications that we are going to deal slowly in this Java full stack developer course is web applications, but we are going to learn console applications initially to learn Java. Slowly we'll move on to web applications. So on the console, this black area which is called as console, you just saw hello IT master, which is what you're telling system dot output whatever text that is given here onto the console. You're telling print output this print this whatever is there onto the system. So in vague language, in layman's language, that is what has happened. But then there is nothing to worry here. This is just a simple command. Don't worry about what is this public class main, whatever it is. linear public static void main. We will discuss about this in detail, in great detail in the upcoming sessions. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this video has added any value to you, please do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.